Tiff?
I just hear.
So I have a mystery basket or mystery cooler, all right? And this mystery cooler, we have some mystery ingredients.
Okay.
You want to take a wild guess what it might be about?
No, I have been trying to, listen, I'm trying to guess whole day and they're like, nothing.
Just take a guess. Just take a guess.
I have no idea.
All right.
Okay, nothing's coming to
Nothing.
mind. Nothing.
All right. Today, Tiff, we are going to talk about ketchup.
Ketchup?
Ketchup.
We're going to talk about ketchup?
Yeah, we want to talk about ketchup. So, all right, let's talk about each one by one.
Okay.
So, what do you know about this brand?
Not much, to be honest.
You've
I've seen it.
had...
I've seen it. I feel, nah lie, I have bought it. From what I remember, it's not as sweet as another brand.
Okay.
And in my household, they prefer the sweeter one. But the thing is, I actually like more acidic. So if we drop in like Heinz, I don't mind eating Heinz. But I mean, I love my local because it is sweetener, you know?
Okay, all right. So we went all over the country getting all the brands of ketchup available in Trinidad.
Right.
Right. And you just said Heinz. Is Heinz your favorite?
No. I'm just saying, if it's there, I would eat it. I like that kind of flavor. I like that kind of acidic, that kind of,
all right.
I mean, I also do love a sweet ketchup as well.
I don't know. You're on two sides of the thing here.
Hey, it depends on the mood.
Depends on the mood or it depends on the food?
There you go. Well, okay, am I sampling this ketchup?
I think, well, you will see. Just now, I have some other things inside here. We have Mabel's.
You know, now I've seen it. I feel it was Mabel's. But
we have Swiss.
This is this one here.
We have Eve.
I have never tried Eve.
And we have
you see? I know this one. Now, in every chain restaurant, you could find this on the table. This for sure.
Let me get rid of this cooler here.
This is so... you see, I will check me. It's butter, it's thing, it's flour, ketchup.
Ketchup. And the thing is, why not?
Why not?
Why not? The thing is, all these ketchups have different properties.
Correct.
And different nuances about them.
Yeah.
Like for me in this lineup here, what do I say? I have different things I like for different reasons.
Well, can I give you my top two as I show?
Yes.
So this is the one.
All right.
This
Swiss.
is the one, and then just because
right.
I know these two. The others, Mabel's. Not so much. It wasn't the Matooks, it was the Mabel's. When I saw the packaging, it was the Mabel's. So
let me see how good
but
you are.
I don't know these here.
You don't. Well, if you don't know them, but you say they know these two, and these are your top two.
Yeah.
So let's see how well you know them, because we are actually going to do a blind taste test. Well, you're gonna do it.
Oh, Father.
And we're gonna see if you actually know one like them, or if you're gonna choose something else.
Okay. Well, I feel like everybody will know how this one tastes.
You never know.
True. Next thing, these hit me close to home.
Exactly, because you don't know them.
All right.
So we're gonna carry you away. Carry you away.
What the bell?
Are we gonna set up a blind taste test? Are we gonna see if these are really a favorite, or if it was just somebody indoctrinating you in your mind of the ketchup?
Gotcha. No problem.
All right. So let's go and set that up and come back. Let me see. I'm not good at this kind of blindfold thing here.
Let me make sure.
Let's see. So we go in. I'm not gonna be wicked and give you like a whole spoon, right? So here, what? Yeah, this is you here, right?
It's already on.
Yeah. So you're safe.
Go on taste. This ketchup had a shake up or?
Take a guess which one this is.
One of the ones I don't know. It's not Swiss and it's not Heinz.
You are right.
All right. Well, you see, here you go.
All right, so that's the first one.
Yeah, I'm not sure. It's given Mabel's, Eve, or Matook.
So yeah, Tiff, I'll wait up the next one here. But before we move on, I need an answer for the last one. So you boil it down to 3, but I need you to boil it down to 1.
The thing is, I want to taste the other one and then tell you.
No, that's not how this one's gonna work.
Okay, hold on. Let me see. How that tastes, boy? I'll say Mabel's.
So your first one, you say Mabel's.
I will go with Mabel's.
All right. Your first one, you say Mabel's.
I didn't feel like that was
it. Here's the second one. Here's the second one.
2, let me go.
You have so much expressions, even with your eyes being hidden.
I can change my answer on the first one. Can I? Is that allowed?
You know what? Yeah. All right,
I feel this one is Mabel's, and the next one, since I don't know, I'll just call Matook. But this one here, I just taste I feel it's Mabel.
So your first guess is Matuk. Second guess, Mabel.
Yeah.
All right. Making a mess here. What are you laughing at, so?
This is just so funny to me. I'm not gonna lie, I never thought I would be here tasting ketchup. Ever. Heinz.
All right, let me take that spoon
Even
from
the
you.
mouthfeel, it has a mouthfeel.
Your fourth course, ma'am.
Of ketchup.
Of ketchup. You'll be a ketchup connoisseur by the end of this.
No, for sure. For sure.
All right, we need an answer. Time is ticking. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
What was the other one?
Time
Not
up.
what was the other one? Eve? That was the one I didn't.
Is that your final answer?
Maybe until I taste the last one.
Right now, your answer is Eve for that one.
Until I taste the last one. Because I have a What is this? What is this like tomato sauce for pizza?
Right.
That's what it tastes like. It's not given ketchup. So the last one would be Swiss. And what was the one I didn't call? What was the one? Eve?
Mm-hmm.
One that I call Matux first.
Yeah.
I feel this is Matux. By just from remembering what it looked like and stuff like that with the color and everything. And so this will be Matux, the first one will be Eve, and the one right before this will be Swiss. You understand? You get that, right?
And what are the two middle ones?
Okay, so it would be Eve, Mabel, Heinz, Swiss, Matuk.
Final answer.
Final answer.
All right, Tiff, I'm going to put these ketchups, right, in the right order, in the correct order, and see how it match up to how you call them.
Khary, I hope I get at least 2 right.
So yeah, so you do your thing.
No, you organize and then you would just answer it.
All right, and now I will take off the blindfold.
Oh.
And just for safety's sake, what was the order you said?
Okay, if I try to remember, the last one was Matux, the one before that was Swiss, the one before that was Heinz, and I think I said the first would have been Eve and then Mabel.
All right, well, let's take off your blindfold and you
Father.
can see just how well you did.
Oh God,
Just how well
Khary.
you did, Tiff.
Oh. So I was right. I was right. I got it right.
You were spot on. You were spot on, Tiff.
I
must say.
I tell you, I know my ketchup. I know my. I'm telling you, I had to taste the others and tell you. I know that.
No, you know your ketchup. And I want to come with the people in the comments a little bit because they're going to say, nah, she was seeing through that blindfold.
No, I generally wasn't.
And whatever like that. Nah, she fair and square.
No,
She fair and square, picked out the right things. I was actually
and
very
you see,
impressed.
But you see, as I was saying,
The
when
thing
I
is,
had
yeah,
to
after I
taste the other
tasted it,
one, then I would know.
And then you like change your
No, I'm
answer.
telling you, but definitely this. Just from when I tasted, I was like, okay, hold on, because looking at the bottle, the color and everything, and the consistency, it made sense. But it tastes more like a tomato paste, tomato sauce than a ketchup. It's more something to cook with than to eat with.
Yeah, I get it. I must say, I'm very impressed.
No, me too.
Very
I was
I
like,
don't
I
know.
hope.
I don't know if I would do this well.
Wow, no. Big up me.
Big up
I
your
really
whole
know.
self. If you want to have an ingredient or a condiment in your house and know what's in it, the best thing to do is make it yourself.
I agree.
So I think we should make some ketchup today.
Well, I'm here for this lesson.
All right, so you're ready to handle this homemade from
Come
scratch
on.
ketchup?
I am so ready.
All right, so first
All right.
things first,
We're going in
we're going to go
with?
with the water.
All right.
It's gonna sizzle. And that's all right, if you have a little sizzle, that's no problem at all.
And how much
The vinegar, let's go in with 2/3 of that for now, and we'll see how it goes. Because the nice thing is that if you're making it yourself, you can adjust how you want it. If you want it a little more acidic, if you like the Heinz ketchup a little more, that style of ketchup. All right, so while you put that there, first thing I'm going to go in with, most important ingredient, tomato paste.
Sure.
And all these ingredients just going to go and combine and just
bubble
lend their
down.
flavor to everything. Yeah, exactly. You can continue stirring, I'll add everything else. I'm going to go in with the sugar next, so we add in some brown sugar.
Lovely.
Over here, we have onion powder and garlic powder. So that's where a lot of flavors, go ahead, keep whisking. A lot of flavor is gonna happen with that there. So we have cinnamon powder here and clove powder here. Just want a pinch of each. You don't want to overpower it.
Ooh, this will make ketchup smelling already.
And of course, we need some salt. So you're going to be
no.
mindful how much you're going with
Yeah,
it.
because we could always taste and adjust.
And you could always add salt, but you can't take out salt. What we're going to do is actually put this on a medium-low heat and let that simmer for roughly 15 to 20 minutes or until it thickens.
All right, but feel actually, give it a whisk and feel it actually is thicker, like it is thick, it has body.
It does. And we could always taste and add more acid if we need to and stuff.
Well, I'm excited to see like when it boils down, as it's already something thick, like how it would, you know.
And we may just stop buying ketchup.
Right,
never know.
Right.
All right, Tiff, let's see how we're looking.
Oh, come Chris, we're on a nice low simmer
So
here.
yeah, that's what you're looking for. This is the stage you're looking for it to be. And it's just a
it,
gentle bubble.
So we're leaving it like this for 15 minutes.
15 to 20 minutes.
All right,
you know, we'll check it and stir once in a while. So we're going to check again because we want to see what it looks like. So this is simmering here. This is looking like ketchup.
Yeah,
it's
and the
starting
thing
to look
is,
like ketchup now.
it actually feels lighter than when we started.
Because everything like comes together, sugar
whatever,
melt
exactly, whatever broke down and stuff.
When it's
so
when
you
it
feel
cools,
the difference, right?
I do.
Yeah.
And like when they cool down, it will start to congeal a little bit more.
Of course.
But this still has a ways to go. So you're gonna cover it back and leave it. We're just making sure it's not sticking right now.
Correct.
All right, so we're going again.
And we are at the halfway mark.
Pretty much, yeah.
Oh, and look at
this. This is what we're looking at.
That is
a
nice simmer, a nice slow simmer.
Yeah.
Same thing.
It's still a little loose right now,
of
so
course.
we want to give it that full 20 minutes.
To see how it, continues to break down and come together.
Imagine that, making our own ketchup.
Right? Who would have thought?
Right, so we're checking this time, not only for look, but for taste.
Right, and we are at the 15 minute mark now?
15 minute
hold
mark.
on, let's give it a same thing. You see, but look, you see now it's starting to thicken up again?
Yeah, it is starting to thicken up. It is starting
to thicken up. Give it a whisk, it really is thickening up.
One of the ingredients on a lot of the commercial brands was modified cornstarch, and that's a thickening agent.
Yeah, so in this case, I mean, we've seen it thickening up already, and we still have some time to go. But if people do want to add cornstarch, would you suggest, or would you say let it cook down first and then see based on the consistency that you like, then add the cornstarch?
Well, here at the 15-minute mark, you know, some people will stop at this point, and when it cools, it will congeal a little bit.
Right.
If I'm making it home personally, I wouldn't add cornstarch yet.
Okay, but you can. But your personal preference, you can add a cornstarch slurry to thicken it.
Yeah, that's right. You know,
but I think you should.
I think you should leave it like this.
Yeah, and then see.
My opinion, I would like keep this going. I would whisk just to make sure it doesn't stick, and I would let it reduce down naturally
and let it get thick on its own.
On its own and more flavor.
I like that flavor. Yeah. I like that too. All right.
So let's try and see if it needs any adjustment.
I can't believe we're making ketchup.
Making ketchup. We doing anything here, you know?
Hold on, I feel you have no heat, you have no feeling in your mouth, or heat just dip and went straight in.
So, it more on the, it's not. I don't think it needs more acid. I think it's fine for acid. I'm happy we didn't put all.
I don't know why. Like I'm tasting hot dogs. Like I need a hot dog with this.
Now.
No, that's how. No, like that's what it's giving me. No, I'm telling you.
Yeah, so I think when this reduces down, it's gonna strengthen flavor again.
The cinnamon and clove are incredible in this.
Yeah,
like
I agree.
The flavors from the ketchup.
Yeah.
Even though you read the ingredients and it didn't make mention of that, that's the flavor. You understand what I'm trying to?
No, definitely. Yeah. Wow, and such simple ingredients, and you could just make this at home on your own. But we still have 5 more minutes, and I want this to thicken a little bit more. I still find it's a little bit too runny.
No, I agree, but I think flavor-wise it's great.
Yeah, flavor-wise, definitely.
Again, when it boils down some more, for me, maybe just a sweeter.
Yeah.
But the thing is, I'm getting the sweetness after.
And you're getting the ketchup taste.
Yeah,
that's like
that's
ketchup.
crazy.
I don't know. I feel like for this last 5 minutes, I'll leave it uncovered.
No problem.
So
Hold on. Let's just give it another whisk again, and
just
then
to make sure it's not sticking, and we good. What do you think?
Wow. No, yeah, I am. Listen,
yeah?
I am more than pleased.
All right, we're at the 20-minute mark now, and this is looking like ketchup's supposed to look, and it's smelling like, well, you don't ever really smell ketchup in the pack, right?
I mean, I like to smell food.
Everything.
Like I'm eating it, and it's to know. So it does kind of smell like ketchup. Like, okay, you see when especially when you're opening the spouse and you get the little, when it,
the little
when you seal, exactly. So that's the standard I'm working with. It's like, okay, I get the smell, but it does smell.
I feel like you could go into forensic like
food forensics and
something.
like rework, you know, figure it out.
Reverse engineer things.
For sure.
Nice, boss.
Thank you.
Must say, it does need to thicken up a little bit.
So what, you're gonna leave it for 5 minutes again?
Yeah.
And then check and see, because we know the taste is there. We taste and it passes the taste test, so it's just for us to get the right consistency.
Yeah, and then remember too, like different ingredients from different places react in different ways.
Correct.
So for their recipe that they have online, or you know, like wherever,
right,
it may come one way for them in that environment. But
correct.
here in what we do in here, and we in Trinidad, different climate, different types of ingredients.
Also, remember we also making it based on our taste. So you might have had to add more vinegar, or you could have put less vinegar, and that could have
altered.
Thank you.
Yeah.
My brain, yeah. But
no,
it
right.
could have definitely altered the recipe and the way it would interact and, you know, work with each other. So yeah, I'm excited for this.
I am very excited for it because like just to look at it and see just how much it looks like what
ketchup,
we are trying to accomplish here.
It literally right now it looks like we poured a pack of ketchup in here and we boiling it.
Well, don't tell them.
No, no.
Let's wait to reduce a little bit and then we give it the final taste.
Come on, and then bottle and ready to go.
And ready to go, we can sell. Nah, no,
we have a winner!
We're not just saying that because we make it, all right? We're not just saying that.
Y'all, this ketchup, it honestly blows my mind.
I think we need to just give a final taste.
Okay,
cool
as it's
now.
cool, let's
you know,
come
like
in, look at the
done.
consistency.
Yeah.
Ketchup, look at that.
Proper, like somebody just pass a bottle, let me just put this on the grocery
No,
shelf.
one time.
One time, all right. We going the same time?
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh.
Wow.
So,
this is a tail.
No. I done buying ketchup. I'm not buying ketchup anymore.
No.
Because it's too easy and it turns out too good to not to not make
Listen, I still can't get over the cinnamon and the clove, what it's doing in here. And the thing is, remember I mentioned earlier, maybe with the sweetness, I think it's perfect. It still got the tartness, like it's like it actually
in between, right?
All of them, I think it's perfect. Like I ready for hot dog, I ready for fries.
Fries, give me
anything,
some fried chicken, let me put some ketchup on that.
Oh boy, that's all I need now.
Or just give me a spoon again. That's it. Guys, don't forget the recipes in the description below. Remember to like, share, subscribe.
Comment. Tell us, will you make ketchup?
No,
your
trust
thoughts.
me.
Yeah.
Trust
How you like
me.
a ketchup? On the sweeter side, on the tangier side? Let us know.
In the
correct order.
So that, and then take the blindfold off to show her.
Yeah.